Hello everyone, let's talk about this brand. This brand actually not getting any sales. So let me tell you why, what type of thing they need to improve. Okay, so first of all, initially they should keep the video. So initially they should not keep this kind of option at the beginning, because at the beginning they should have the banner. Okay, so the hero banner, and there should be lifestyle photo or lifestyle using product. Okay, and after that they actually keeping video. People don't care about that. People should know what type of product they are selling. So there should be a collection. Okay, so by the collection people can categorize what type of product actually selling this brand, so that they can actually identify. Okay, so that's the thing. So there's a wrong placement, and here they actually put some of the collection, but this section should be at the top. Okay, so that will be more better. And at the bottom they actually giving me is they should be giving me some of the overall collection to take them to different collection. Okay, and here is the another images. It's not like not clear and not pretty good, so that's the issue. And same thing on over here, guys. As you can see, it's like this is not user friendly. There is no offer, and then also there at the bottom should have couple of the image, but this theme has a lot of issues, so they need to fix that. Okay, so let's come to this point. You see the before after. So this the most common problem of this brand, nothing actually HD and clear, or not 4K. Okay, so that's the issue. So here they should have the image text, and then also they are loading very small. Okay, loading very bad, loading speed very bad, and then also there is a review. This is a good thing, but yeah, so here as well, as you can see, they actually put the another lot of videos. So this kind of video should have been the product page mostly, and the home page they should keep like whatever product they're selling, because people don't know, not gonna come to the home page to see your video. So people, you will, whenever this brand will run the ads, at this point they will link up their stock to the product page. Okay, so that's why I will always recommend to tell them to bring all of this video into the product page. Okay, so that will be more better. Okay, so let's go to their one of the product shop color shop page. Okay, so you see this kind of thing again into over here. Okay, so their menu also is not organized, it's not so clear. Okay, so it's a confusing. And shop all, so if I click on over here, this is good, but this one actually confusion. Okay, so if I scroll down now, as you can see, they also all these places actually put the video. So there's the biggest issue. So if you keep your video all of the pages, it will make your site more slower. As you can see, it's taking a lot of time to load their site, because they actually put a lot of video. Okay, so don't keep a lot of videos. So if I go to the, then also they don't have the compare price as well. So if you put the compare price under your product, they actually will show discount. Okay, how many discount people will get. So they don't have also the compare price. That's the most important issue, biggest issue, and they don't have the product video of each product. So let's click on the one of the product. Let's go to their product page. You see there is no 30-day money back guarantee, no short description. Okay, so this is very basic. So that's not a trust building, and they don't have the trust page. Okay, so that's the issue, and they don't have the video. Okay, so product page video should be under the product details section. Okay, so under this section should have the video, so that people can see the real life using. Okay, so that's the issue. So that's where this brand also missing this thing. So guys, I will recommend to you should improve this one, and then also buy it now. Okay, so let's see how many process, and they actually asking for the number, address, and payment. Okay, so this is covered. This is 3 step, but I think you should keep the 2 step to payment checkout. Okay, so if you don't do that, you will never get sales. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So what type of thing you need to improve. By the way guys, if you want to create the free Shopify store, you should come to my website. We are offering free Shopify store. You can take our free service. As you can see here, I can give it all of the information, and then we will join a short call with you, and I will understand your business goal and mission and everything. Then we will join a short call. Okay, so right now our team member working. So our agency name is creativeweboost.com. So mostly we have prepared our layout. So if I come to our creativeweboost.com, so let me show you the our agency creativeweboost.com. So team member working, as you can see, we are working on the, we have created all of the page. So you should come to the portfolio page, service page, pricing page. So we have the demo. So right now I'm going to show you the demo, okay, of our service. So you see, so under the pricing, you can take our free service with the 5 product. Anytime you can upgrade your plan. Okay, if you need to improve. Okay, so you'll get it during for 48 hours. Okay, so you can claim your free service. You need to give you all of the information. Okay, claim your free service, so you should give it information. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you really like this video, subscribe, and in future whatever content you are looking for, let me know in the comment box. Have a nice day. Goodbye.